The Big Potential of Small Farms by Big Bill, Steve, and Harlow Spanky.
The Green Revolution. Green Revolution is a famous campaign to increase grain harvest in developing nations. The Green Revolution has greatly expanded worldwide farm productions since the 1950s. Diverted water. 70% used for farming, 19% used for industry, 9% used for homes, and the rest is evaporated from reservoirs. Irrigation. Traditional irrigation has degraded the soil in many areas, and the reservoirs behind dams can quickly fill up with silt, therefore reducing their storage capacity and depriving downstream farmers of fertile sediment. Improvements in the productivity of large farms may play the main role in boosting food supply. The world's irrigation land grew from 100 million hectares in 1950 to 276 million hectares today.
Because water is vital to agriculture, the lack of it has become one of the largest causes of poverty. The Treatle pump was invented to help correct this. It was developed in the late 1970s by Norwegian engineer Gunnar Barnes. It's operated by a person walking in place on a pair of treadles made of bamboo or another locally available material, and can irrigate half an acre of vegetables and costs only $25. 1,500,000 Bangladesh farmers have purchased treadle pumps. Failed loan programs. In the 1970s, the World Bank made low-interest loans enabling the government of Bangladesh to import diesel pumps for deep tube wells. Each system costs $15,000 and can irrigate 40 acres. The government made it available for free. When the government subsidies ran out, farmers abandoned the deep wells due to high operating costs. Treadle pumps proved more efficient.
The pump and dump theory was created by the Nobel Prize-winning scientist Billy Ward. In many places, groundwater tables are dropping 2 meters a year or more because of overpumping. A solution to this is some aquifers can be replenished by trapping monsoon rainwater and directing it underground. For example, in the state of Gujarat in India, it is hot and dry most of the year, and most of its rain falls during the monsoon season, when flooding is common. They built waterways that direct the runoff into open wells. The price tag. Boosting harvest further will require a total investment of $20 billion over the next 10 years. This will take about $10 billion to support the continuing agriculture research at universities, national institutions, and consultative group on international agriculture research. Reducing poverty is more complicated than simply expanding the food supply, and estimates of the cost of achieving the Millennium Development Goals vary widely.